Hi everyone, I'm Chef Kate Lula from Jones Dairy Farm, a proud longtime sponsor of the Celiac Disease Foundation. I have 2 minutes to spotlight one of my favorite Jones Dairy Farm products, our Canadian bacon, and show you 3 delicious recipes that are perfect for Father's Day or really any summer get-together. First, look at this Canadian bacon and veggie sheet pan pizza. It's so easy to make and great for a group. You can use a store-bought crust, but I've also included with the recipe a gluten-free crust that you can make from scratch. Top it with plenty of diced Canadian bacon and veggies of your choice. Next we have our loaded nachos that feature double the bacon, Canadian bacon plus our Jones Cherrywood smoked bacon as well. We're subbing gluten-free waffle fries for the tortilla chips, and then we loaded it with some cheese, pico de gallo, guacamole, some sour cream, and topped it with some jalapeno, cilantro, and a little green onion. Finally, this Hawaiian Teriyaki Chicken Burger with Canadian bacon, gluten-free teriyaki sauce, and grilled pineapple is a tropical twist on a beef burger. Serve it on a gluten-free bun, or you can put it in a lettuce wrap, and just make sure that teriyaki sauce again is gluten-free. All these gluten-free recipes feature Jones Canadian bacon, which is made from fresh center-cut premium loins with no binders or fillers. Jones Canadian bacon is naturally smoked over hickory hardwood chips. We never use any liquid smoke, and it's a great source of lean protein. It's fully cooked so you can eat it right out of the package. Visit jonesdairyfarm.com for these 3 recipes and a product locator to find retailers near you that carry Jones products. Hope you enjoy!